rightly pointing out now, 1st October was the date we all know has been deferred. Now what we understand is that yesterday there was a meeting between the Brokers Association and stock exchanges. And clearly the brokers, after conducting an internal poll, say ANMI has got a registration of 900 brokers. They did a poll with around 122 brokers. Of that, 121 have clearly given a thumbs down, saying there should be no extension of market trading hours. And one broker has said, even if worst case scenario it happens, only index products should be launched. So clearly their rationale is also, was there a cost analysis study done before doing that? Because clearly this is not going to be feasible by keeping equity markets open till 11:55 p.m. So they have conveyed very clearly and given a thumbs down on this particular proposal to stock exchanges. Of course, the same would be communicated with this regulator SEBI also, perhaps today or tomorrow. But the larger picture clearly is the brokers say, even if the policymakers, regulators and stock exchanges want this to happen, it would be only on the index product that should be allowed. Because I also was privy to an argument given by a senior broker who yesterday in the meeting said, what happens to a situation like last week when DHFL got hammered in a situation where there's no underlying? So clearly the brokers are very clear, only index products should be allowed, even if that happens against their wishes. So clearly the arguments will continue. It's up to the stock exchanges now to revert back to the brokers. But in the near foresee, I don't think the extension would happen. And even if it happens, clearly both the exchanges have to be on the same page when it comes to products. As BSE said, they would come out with stock futures, NSE said only index. That cannot be the case. So indeed, the arguments and counter-arguments would continue in the coming days, weeks, perhaps months ahead. But for now, the broking community as a whole is clearly giving a thumbs down and saying no extension of market trading hours should happen in the Indian equity markets.